Jill recorded the amount of water in ounces that she drank each day during the last 10 days. Her results are shown in the stem and leaf plot below. What is the difference between the highest and the third lowest amount of water Jill drank? So before we answer this question, we need to figure out two things about this stem and leaf. First of all, what is it when you put the stem and leaf together, which the key can help with that. Looks like if we take 3 as a stem and 0 as a leaf and put them together, we get 30 ounces. And that's talking about her ounces of water. Then what are the leaves? Well, it says she recorded the amount of water in ounces that she drank each day. And so the leaves are the days. This is a day that she drank 30 ounces of water. This is a day she drank 32 ounces of water. Here's a day that she drank 53 ounces of water. All right, so now we want the difference between the highest and third lowest amount of water. So the highest is going to be the last stem and last leaf, which would be 54. And then the third lowest, so the lowest is going to be 30. That's the lowest. That means the second lowest is 32, and the third lowest is 35. And so 35 is our third lowest. Difference, of course, means we're going to subtract with a little bit of regrouping. You should get 19 ounces of water.